Good morning, children. So, we are going to start our lesson number 1. So, before I tell you the chapter name or the lesson name, can you tell me which is our national animal? Yes, it's a tiger. So, today's chapter name or today's lesson name is A Tiger in the House, and the author of the lesson is Ruskin Bond. So let me tell you something about Ruskin Bond. So Ruskin Bond used to write a stories related to kids, okay, and in all his stories he used to mention his grandpa, and grandpa is grandpa always like to have a pet. So whichever story is written by Ruskin Bond, he never ever missed to mention his grandpa with a pet. So here also a story where he mentioned his grandpa along with a pet, the tiger, that how he met, how grandpa met tiger, how grandpa took care of tiger, and how did he send tiger into the zoo, and what is a love affection towards the tiger. This story says about a tiger in the house. So let's see the characters of the lesson. So you can see on the slide there are 7 characters from the story I have taken along with the picture. The first one, Timothy. Timothy is called the tiger cub. Grandfather, grandmother, Mohammed. Mohammed is a cook. Toto the monkey, small mangrove puppy, and a Jew taker. So these are the characters which you will see in the lesson. Let's start our lesson. Timothy the tiger cub. The first paragraph. It was discovered by, that is discovered means found by, okay. So grandfather was in hunting expedition. He was in hunting in Tarai jungle near Dehra, and there he saw first time the tiger cub, okay. So he got the cub to the home, and grandmother, that is grandpa's wife, grandmother, called him or named the tiger cub by the Timothy, okay. And now this Timothy was totally given him the milk, okay. Every time he used to always have the milk, and this milk used to be fed by his cook, that is Mohammed, in a bottle. But when we saw that the milk has too much of food, that means by having the milk he was putting a weight, he was putting up a weight, that is he was becoming fat. So what happened? So they decided, let we put Timothy the tiger cub for a diet. You know, when you become fat we do diet, right? So here also for Timothy they have decided to go for a diet where Timothy will only have the raw mutton or the liver oil, and all the things whatever he wanted to have. That is how the Timothy has become from fat to the slim, a modern personality of a tiger. Now when a tiger cub or one tiger is in a jungle, right, they have a lots of friends, like the own tigers, they have friends, right? But here in grandpa's place, they had, the Timothy was provided with the 2 companies in paragraph 2. One is a Toto the monkey, and second one was the mongrel puppy, okay. Now you can see a picture. Toto the monkey was very naughty, very bold, okay. He used to go and pull the tiger tail, the cub tail, and used to climb up on the cub. You can see in the picture the same way. And whereas the puppy and 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 puppy, which they also got it on the roadside by the grandpa got the puppy also to home, okay. So here when puppy saw the tiger or the cub, okay, puppy was quite afraid. The puppy got scared, right? And when Timothy was going near to the puppy was getting scared, and he was going back. And then after sometimes what happened? Finally puppy allowed it, okay. Finally they both become friends and they started playing together. In the second picture you can see the puppy and the tiger cub or the cub were playing. In paragraph 4, so Timothy's favorite amusement, that when he used to play, when he used to play. So here for Timothy, the favorite become Ruskin Bond. So whenever Ruskin Bond used to go to his grandpa's house, whenever he used to go to live with grandpa, right? When you also go for summer holidays, some holidays with your grandpa. Same here, the author also went to grandpa's place, and Tiger, the cub, Timothy become very very much attracted towards the Ruskin Bond, and he used to play with the tiger. He used to play with the tiger. And he used to dash. He used to go near his feet. He rolled over on his back. That is how he used to play with his author. Okay, and here the fifth paragraph says it was in some time. What happened, it was grown full size. It was become a big size. You can see in first picture where the author was playing with his cub, and fifth paragraph the tiger had become a full grown, right? It was very difficult for the author to take the tiger outside for a walk, right? For a walk, because what will happen, it was so huge, it was so big, it was very difficult for the author to pull hard on his chain, right? But he never used to go out so much. But Timothy's favorite place was his drawing room. Okay, he was always like to be sit on the drawing room, because in drawing room there was a long sofa. He used to fully flat on the sofa, and he used to take rest on the sofa, and that's why for Timothy, the drawing room was his favorite place where he can rest on the sofa. In the sixth paragraph, this says about Timothy's habit. Timothy had a very clean habit. Okay, he used to scrub his face with his paws, like you have seen, right? Cat will clean his face like that. Even Timothy used to clean his face. He used to make himself very clean and neat. Okay, and he used to sleep all the time with the cook's quarter. Who is the cook here? The Mohammed's cook's quarter, and he used to always be with him. In seventh paragraph, what happened? Author remembering that what his grandmother told. So grandmother declared, she said, see, one day will come when, because Timothy is always sleeping with Muhammad. One day will come when Muhammad's bed, Timothy will be sitting. Okay, there will be no sign of cook. There will be no sign of Muhammad. That is, Muhammad will not be there on the bed, but only his clothes or shoes will be there on the bed. That means one day will come when tiger will kill off the Muhammad, and only you can see his clothes or his shoes on the bed. Of course, in 8th paragraph, author says that the day has not come. The day did not come that where he killed the Muhammad, but the day has come when he grew up for 6 months. Right? There's some changes we can see in the tiger. He become very less friendly. He was not liking to be with the people now. Okay. Even he used to go outside for a walk. What he used to do? He used to catch the cat. Okay. He became very much like a tiger kinda. He got the characteristics, right? And sometimes at night, what he used to do, he used to take he used to go to the poultry house. He used to get the chicken or the hen. Okay. And the morning time, what the author used to see only the feathers laying on the veranda. That means that the hen was eaten by the tiger, and only you can see feathers on the veranda. When grandfather saw all this, when he saw that he's become less friendly, he's stealing away the cat, or he's eating away all the hen, so grandfather decided that it's a time where we have to transfer him to a zoo, because now it is not safe for the Timothy to be inside the house, because it will be harmful for everybody. So that's why the grandfather decided, let me shift the Timothy to the zoo. Okay, so where they have shifted him, which zoo they have shifted him. So in 9th paragraph they say the Timothy was shifted, nearest zoo was at Lucknow. Okay, in Lucknow there was a zoo, and then they have shifted the Timothy. so authority, the zoo authority, the superintendent or the officer, right? Whoever taking that, when they have seen Timothy, when they have seen Timothy, they felt it's a gift, because Timothy was very very fairly and very well fed. That means he was very healthy and he was very fit, and when zoo authorities accepted him, they were very much happy. In 10th paragraph, what they say, after 6 months later, what happened? Grandpa were supposed to go and meet his relative in Lucknow, and like that only he said, as I have come to Lucknow, so let me go and see or check the Timothy. Okay, I'll just go and check the Timothy how he is. But here Ruskin Bond was not there. Okay, but he learned the story, or he know the story when his grandpa told him. In the zoo, grandpa had, it's in the previous paragraph, grandpa had booked a cage separately for the Timothy. Okay, so this is how he has booked a compartment for Timothy. And when he visited the zoo in 11th paragraph, because grandpa knows which cage or which direction Timothy was, so directly the grandpa went there, and there was a tiger crossed in a corner. And when he saw the tiger, it was fully grown means it was totally become a huge or a big tiger, okay, with a striped coat. You have seen the tiger, right? It was totally different. And when tiger also approached the bar, so both of them came together. Okay, grandpa put his head and his hands on the bar, and where even the tiger also had put his head on the bar and holding the hand of the grandpa. So here what happened, the tiger was making a sound, right? He was making about to open his mouth. This is the okay. And what grandpa was doing, grandpa was closing his mouth by his hand. This is how previously when the cub, the Timothy, when it was a cub, grandpa used to make him calm. So he was also trying to hold his mouth. He was just closing his mouth to say, be quiet. In 13th paragraph, what happened? The tiger came and he was licking the grandpa's hand. Okay, and the next cage there was a leopard, and leopard used to just come and he used to make a shock he used to make scare the tiger. What tiger used to do? Tiger used to go and hide in a corner. Okay, he used to go and hide in a corner. So what grandpa did that time? Grandpa sent the leopard, and then the tiger came back to grandpa, and again he was licking his hand. So this is how grandpa and Timothy met, and this is how they communicate with each other. Slide you can see in paragraph 40. In the picture you can see, right, the tiger and a grandpa was communicating, right? So lots of people within the zoo, right? So all were seeing, all were amazed, all were shocked, all were surprised the way grandpa and the tiger were talking. Okay, and suddenly what happened? A supervisor came. Supervisor is nothing but you can say a caretaker, zoo caretaker. He came and he asked. He was staring at the grandpa, and grandpa said that I am talking to Timothy, right? I'm talking to Timothy. And he asked the supervisor, you were not there when I came to zoo before 6 months ago to give Timothy here? So he said, I'm sorry. So caretaker said, I'm sorry sir, please continue your conversation, please continue your talking. And when you gave the Timothy here, I was not there. But sir, he always have a very bad temper. Supervisor is telling about tiger that he has a very bad temper, and sometimes even I will get supervisor will also get scared by touching him. And after that, grandfather said, I have a suggestion for you. He said to supervisor, why don't you put the leopard in some other place, because the leopard is making my Timothy scared. So suggestion from my side that please change the place of the leopard, or better I will go and meet the superintendent. Superintendent is the head of the zoo, and I will talk about it. The next slide, paragraph 15. Okay, so grandpa went to search of a superintendent. He roamed everywhere, but he could not find the superintendent. So what they decided, okay fine, it's getting late, So let me go to the zoo, and I will say goodbye to Timothy. In paragraph 16, again for 5-10 minutes, Timothy and grandpa were talking. They were Tiger was licking his hand, and grandpa was, you know, sliding here, putting his hand, slapping Timothy, like the way he used to do before. And at that time, what happened? There was one more zookeeper who was surprisingly seeing the communication between the tiger and the grandpa. And then grandpa saw the supervisor, and he said, zookeeper, sorry, and he said, you remember, I am the person who came and gave the Timothy 6 months before ago. I just came to meet him, and why don't you, and he said to the zookeeper, as you know that I am who I am, why don't you tell your superintendent to change the position of the leopard, because leopard is making scared Timothy. And but the zookeeper, what did he say? He was stammering. That means he was in shock. He was not able to tell. He said, "But sir, it is not your tiger." So grandpa said, "Yes, yes, I know. It is not my tiger. When I gave my tiger, it was 6 months." 6 months old. It was very little one, but now it has grown very big. So, but zookeeper says, no, no, sir, I'm not telling that. What I'm trying to tell you, that this is not your tiger. I remember your tiger. I remember your Timothy, how it was, right? But that tiger, the Timothy, has died 2 months ago. And that grandpa was in shock. What? He died? How did he died? Then zookeeper said, yes, sir. Timothy died because of pneumonia, and we have put into the hills. Okay, last month only we have put into a hills hill. So this is not your Timothy. It is a real tiger. It is a zoo tiger. And when grandpa was in so much shock, and he looked into the zoo, into the cage, and still what did he found in paragraph 17? Grandpa could not think of anything. He was like nothing to say, because the same tiger was licking. The tiger was licking his arm with increasing relish. He was showing his too much love on grandpa. But grandpa could not believe that the tiger, which is in a zoo or cage, it is not my tiger. Okay, and what the grandpa did? Grandpa went closer to the tiger, and he said very slowly to tiger's face, "Good night, Timothy." And he gave a scornful look. He gave a look to the zookeeper, and he walked away. So in this story we have learned there was a Timothy tiger, okay, which is got in a jungle by grandpa, correct? And grandpa, what did he do? Grandpa, when he started growing up, grandpa has kept in a zoo, okay. And after 6 months, when grandpa has gone to see see the Timothy. And Timothy, there was a tiger, and he was going and talking to the tiger, communicating with the tiger. But at the end, what did he come to know? That his Timothy has died 2 months before only. And the tiger with whom you are talking, with grandpa is talking, it is not the real tiger. And but still, the grandpa felt the same love from the tiger in the zoo. This is chapter which we have finished today, a tiger in the house.